Oh! Nah, the animation switched up. Yo, nah, this looks wild. Hold the fuck on. Oh, oh. Oh, go ahead. Come on, Denji, show him what you got. You've been training, bruh. Let's go. Bro, the movement looks so clean. Oh, nah, dude, the Katana Devil's not fucking around. Holy shit, bro, the animation is so crisp right now. Bro, this shit looks so good. I fucking love this. Oh, nah, they are spazzing this episode. Nah, yeah, this is a good ass finale. This shit, oh, dude, nah, bro, I'm telling you, this shit looks diffy, bro. This shit looks, oh my god, nah. While the train's moving and shit, like going through the town. Nah, this is wild.